Hey y'all, it's your girly Maya and I'm back with another video. In today's video, we have a clean with me. I needed to do some cleaning around the house, so I figured I would bring y'all along. Y'all can get some motivation, clean that house up, because I definitely needed some motivation. Let's get into it.
This part, you ain't gotta say a word. Just walk that, let's get burned. Then we'll roll up 100 fucking blunts. All up in my mouth, now all up in yo. This nigga got pounds of it, all up in his truck. Now we both looking patient. He waving and I'm drunk. I got dank shit in my cup. You know what I'ma do to you? I could give reviews to you. Flow, we X and be sipping on that juicy juice. That's just what you choose to do.
It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Oh, what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. Let the door say excuse me, oh yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say oh. Are you tryna leave? You miss? I said dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance. Just one step. Now with the music is moving too fast. Grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say oh. Are you tryna leave? just start by saying, yeah. I gotta give a game proper. Pretty so she get it, there she is. I gotta